So hey everybody, it's Erin Reed for Expo International Incorporated, and I'm going to take you on a little bitty booth tour on what all the amazing products that we have. We are live at Creativation 2019, and there are some wonderful products, as you can see here. All the amazing products that Expo International has. They are just so super pretty, from iron-ons to all these beautiful trims to sequins. Everything is just so beautiful. They come in a wide variety of colors, as you can see here. Lots of fun, beautiful trims. There's feathers, there's pom-poms, as you can see, lots of sequins. Some are elastic, some are iron-on. It is a nice, large variety of options that you can get. And they come in spools, as you can see down here. And some more iron-on ideas. Look at all the beautiful trims. So here is even more of the trims. I will span up and span down so you guys can see all of the beautiful, amazing assortments that we have here. And you just look at them all. They are so beautiful. Iron-on flowers. We have trims. And the theme for this is all about life of the party with Expo. So thanks so much for joining us at Expo International Incorporated and checking out all the wonderful products that we have on display here at Creativation 2019. Thanks for stopping by. So here's even more of the amazing trims that you can see. There's pom-poms, there's tassels, there's flowers. Beautiful, beautiful trims that you can get here. Different size of pom-poms, different size of tassels. And then just look at all the blingy beautifulness. Some of these are trims, some of these are iron-on embellishments here that you can add to just about anything. Wide variety of different styles, different textures. So gorgeous. And here is a wonderful assortment of totes and bags and little trims and all the other wonderful embellishments. Tassels, more tassels, and also boxes.